Heart disease often develops silently, but it sends warning signs and symptoms before becoming life-threatening. Like always, at MedEd 360, we simplify complex health topics to keep you informed. In this video, we'll highlight the 10 key signs and symptoms you should never ever ignore. So, let's dive in. The general symptoms which every adult needs to be consciously aware of are: number 1, chest discomfort or pain. Number 2, shortness of breath. Number 3, fatigue or weakness. Number 4, swelling in the legs, ankles, or feet. After that comes some of the subtle signs. They include pain in the jaw or neck, nausea or indigestion, and dizziness or lightheadedness, irregular heartbeat, persistent cough or wheezing, cold sweats or feeling clammy. These are some of the very important signs and symptoms of heart disease which should never be ignored. And stay healthy.